paso pensando en pene.
I change again, so what's my motherfucking name? What they gonna get though? Desecration, defamation. If you wanna bring it to the masses,